Strawberries. I love strawberries. Strawberries are one of my favourite fruits to grow, and they are super easy to grow. They originally were bred in France about 300 years ago, and they are a hybrid from that genus, and we've got these beautiful red, juicy, succulent, fragrant berries now. Absolutely lovely. I've got about 40 strawberry plants in my yard. I've got a lot of them set up in this grow wall system. They get water directly into them. They like quite a bit of water, but they like well-draining soil as well. They don't like to be too waterlogged. So well-draining soil is great for these, but they do like a lot of water. So keeping it well mulched and making sure that it gets a lot of water, especially during its growing season, when it's pushing a lot of water into those berries. These are running plants, so they put out runners, and they will spread and fill a bed really, really easy over the course of a couple of years. And you can even propagate off of them. So this one, it got a bit dry at some point, but this was grown just off one of the runners, puts off a runner. You can just put that into the soil. It'll put out roots, then you just chop it off the mother plant and you've got another strawberry. There we go, beautiful. Really fantastic plants. Really easy to grow, so long as you've got a fair bit of sun and enough water to sustain them. Don't need a huge amount of soil. I've got these ones in 8-litre containers. No, I don't know. I've got these ones in 6-litre containers, and they are doing really well. I will harvest all throughout the spring and summer and even into the autumn and be enjoying those beautiful fruits. They'll put out a lovely white flower before they grow their fruit, then they'll go green, and then it'll eventually turn red. You can even, though, get pink and yellow varieties of strawberry. Really interesting. It's just started raining, so I better wrap that up there. Thank you very much for watching this plant profile of today. It is strawberries. Make sure you subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so you don't miss any more plant profiles, and I will see you tomorrow.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.